Welcome to the AW Services YouTube channel and an update on the former North Devon Leisure Centre demolition in Barnstaple, Devon. So contractors have chewed their way through the back right hand side, which was the cafeteria, if I'm correct. They also had a creche there, I think. They've also opened up the vast expanse of what was the gymnasium, which is the big flanking rear end there as well. And we've got some lovely old glass tiles up in there. I can't remember what that room was, to be honest, at the very top floor to the right where my finger is pointing. But yes, quite a good schedule on demolition. A lot of steel work that's been cut out, separating all their ferrous, non-ferrous materials, bricks, aggregate, fill. I don't think it'll take long to get through this because a lot of it is what appears to be like a precast concrete grid, like concrete beams, maybe concrete covered steel RSJs, then red like engineering building brick filled in. But where the machine's working at this moment in time, they've built themselves up a big 15-foot high pad out of all the aggregate so they can reach higher through the excavation process. But yeah, I thought I'd do a quick update. I haven't had time to get the drone up recently because of the weather and also the amount of daylight there is, which isn't a great deal in winter. But I will give you a drone update very shortly so you can see above, over and by the side of it from a distance. But I thought I'd share that video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, support the channel, help it grow, become a subscriber, press the bell icon for notifications when updates or new videos are published. And thank you very much for your support.